How to send photos on TikTok message. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can send photos on TikTok message. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to send photos on TikTok message, you just need to open up the TikTok app. After opening up a TikTok app, you just need to you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So in order to send photos on TikTok message, you just need to go to this inbox section, and here you'll be able to find the people that you've chatted with, or you may just select the people that you want to chat with. I'm just gonna select this person for now. After that, you'll be able to find this photo section very easily. So you just need to click on this photo section. After that, select a photo from your album and then tap on send, and that particular photo will be sent to your friend. Or you may just go to this camera section and click a picture at that moment and send a photo to your friend on your TikTok messages. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to send photos on TikTok messages very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.